Have you noticed the recent shift in weather patterns? Unpredictable, extreme, and quite frankly, worrisome. These changes are not random, but indicative of a larger issue at hand: climate change. In breaking news, a potential tropical cyclone brews in the Caribbean. Meteorologists expect it to develop into Hurricane Helene, intensifying rapidly over the Gulf of Mexico. The US Gulf Coast braces for potential landfall, with Florida in particular preparing for the storm. Governor Ron DeSantis has declared a state of emergency for 41 counties, underlining the gravity of the situation. Hurricane Helene poses significant risks, including strong winds, storm surge, and heavy rainfall. The potential impacts spread across multiple states, not just Florida, but also Georgia, Alabama, and the Carolinas. As of now, forecast models suggest a landfall on the eastern Gulf Coast, but the exact track remains uncertain. Tampa General Hospital, among others, is taking proactive steps, erecting flood barriers in anticipation of the storm surge. If Hurricane Helene makes landfall as a Category 3 hurricane, it would mark the first major hurricane to do so in the US since Hurricane Idalia in August. This storm would add to the series of impactful storms hitting Florida since 2022, putting a strain on the state's insurance market due to increasing climate change-related risks. As we wrap up, let's revisit the potential impacts of Hurricane Helene. The storm threatens with strong winds, heavy rainfall, and storm surge. It may affect several states, putting countless lives and property at risk. It also puts a spotlight on the escalating climate change-related risks, straining resources and challenging our resilience. But as we face these challenges, it's important to remember that we hold the power to effect change. By understanding and addressing the roots of climate change, we can work towards a safer and more sustainable future. After all, we're all in this together.